welcome back to the channel. Those of you that are like consistently watching the videos, well, that were till we kind of fell off there, I apologize. I got no excuses, just been slacking. Besides trying to make a few videos like this one right here where Keaton got a new bike, went to R3 one time, went to the motocross track, I went to the Louisville lot day. They all just kind of had a problem with either the camera or I just wasn't really feeling it that day. So I apologize to the ones that consistently keep up with the channel and that enjoy watching the videos. But we're back, baby. Last weekend we rode the betas. If y'all haven't seen that yet, go check it out. We're out here with Keaton again. He's on his personal bike, which is 2019 KTM 300 TPI or EXE. I don't know what they call them. I know it's the TPI fuel injected thing. I don't know. I'll put the real details up on the screen because I don't really know what I'm talking about. I just know it's KTM 300 and it barks. I rode it a couple weekends ago. He's had it for a few weeks, but like I said, we went and tried to make that video and it just didn't work out. He's really enjoying it. It's his first bike in a long time. He's used to the Harley, but he gave up the Harley life for the dirt scooters, which I don't blame him. You can come out here and do stuff like this. Go exploring. This is slick. I hope he doesn't get mad at me. He doesn't really know what we're getting into. I just told him that there was some trails down here. You're definitely gonna get wet, brother. Oh! That was not good. Oh goodness. Whew. Come here, girl. That was gnarly. I'm just gonna go help him. I definitely don't want him to drop his. Maybe I shouldn't have turned mine off. No, no, no! Soaked. The current is stout. Sorry about that. I knew it was gonna be slick, but where it's shallow, I didn't think the current would be that strong. I'm sure you can get up on that rock. Oh no. She definitely got water in it. Hopefully it was only in the pipe. It ain't spitting it out no more. It ain't spitting no more out. That's why I left mine running. Here, go up this right here. I went through there before. Whew. Give her a good little. Alright. Yes, sir. Hopefully no more of that nonsense. Oh, I bit my brake lever. We're good. She wet? No. I laid it down where it was pushing water in my exhaust. That was so sketch. As long as you don't get it in the airbox, it's usually okay. Yeah. Which my airbox is wide open on this Yamaha, so that was a little sketch, but boat's full of water? Yeah, it's okay. Let's go down that way, check it out for a second. Hopefully we do not have to do anything else like that today. woods track back here. I wanted to try to fish that, but I need a ride for a minute after all that. Oh. Straight. Just need to stay out of the mud holes for sure. The bike just got a wash. Feels so good to be out on a bike. I am gooning today though. T-shirt, no knee braces, just riding pants and boots. Definitely not the smartest, but it's like 80 degrees, which we haven't had a warm day in a while. The weather's been very fluctuating around here. Be freaking 76 one day and it'll be 49 the next. It's just been so weird. Feels like it hasn't been warm in ages, so now it's freaking 80 degrees and I feel like I'm gonna have a heat stroke. But I'd rather it be like that than freaking shivering when I got 3 layers on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Left key dog behind. Did you fall in? Fuck yeah, dude. Dang.
I just wasn't looking at this fucking route and I was like, fucking idiot, dude.
It looks like it got in your helmet. Is it deep?
Yeah.
Oh my.
My fucking phone ain't wet.
You are soaked, brother.
At least it's hot outside.
I was just talking about that.
That's a rookie move right there, dude.
I wish I would have seen it.
I didn't think I was gonna lose it.
That's that nasty water, too.
Oh, yeah, it smells awful, dude. I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm gonna wreck right here.
Yeah, it might be deep. Oh, frog! Frogs! Slop. Golly, it's so rocky back here. It's rock, but it's like soft at the bottom. I'm just digging through the rocks. You got that? Ew! Oh, oh. Little deep spot. Psst. I wonder what is going through his head right now. I don't think these are the type of trails he wants to be riding. Oh, a little too much. Need to go back the other way. You good? You good? This could be a very bad idea if we're gonna do it. You gonna hit it? Nope. Said I am not doing that. That is not my job. Looked a little muddy through there, Bob. I can't tell how deep that is. That looks deep. Oh, it don't look too bad. Falls in a 4-foot hole. Oh, we're good. I love 2-strokes. Especially these woods bikes. They lug so good. You just put it in 3rd gear and bolt. Mine wants to die in 1st gear, it feels like. Oh. Don't put a foot down. Uh-oh. Smooth. Let's see if I can do that. Nope. Yep. Way sloppier than how Key Dog did it. Golly. That was so sketch. Alright, that time we didn't put a foot down. The Yam handled that real nice. Fellow KTM rider. On the old body KTM. Don't really know where I'm going. We'll figure it out. A big piece of pop. Pretty mellow. Eyes forward. Keep your eyes looking forward, brother. Which way are we gonna take this one? Alright. This dirt bike is not made for that. Uh oh, here comes old buddy.
Y'all ride here much?
A little bit. He's wild. Absolutely no gear. I thought I was wild for gooning out. Woo-hoo. Hey, he's getting it done though. We were doing so good. Oh, we're still doing, nope. We were doing good. That was just a little bit taller where I can put both my feet on the ground. This would be a lot easier. Whew. Whew. Whew, we made it. We made it, brother. We're alive. Oh. About ate it right there, though. Where'd old buddy go? I don't know where he went. Maybe just eat a rock. That's a gate. We cannot go that way. Now that's deep.
Right there. Right there don't look bad, but
I think there's a spot down here. Screw woods riding, we're legit trials riding back here. Huge rock section on X Games mode. Do they still do the X Games Enduro, or is that even a thing? For some reason I feel like that was a thing. Maybe it's just because it was in a stadium, it's making me think so. Alright, brother, how deep are we talking right here? How deep are we talking? I think we're talking pretty deep. Woo! That right there is deep. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So we'll come back up here. Oh, come on. Come on. Might end up walking you across, not gonna lie. Don't go there. That's deep. So is that. Alright. Alright. An SD card filled up right at the end of that. Hope we got all that.
this is definitely right in the territory down here, dude.
Yeah. This is not made for dirt bikes. Hey, we're getting through it though. I really hope I got most of that because that was gnarly. About sank my bike once again. Whew. I really need to get another SD card. Or delete some off this one, that'd probably work too. into mud bogger territory. In the woods, brother. Deep in the woods. Go bully the Razor. What's up, brother? You got 4 wheels, we got 6. Oh, wait, that's right. 2, 4, 6. Yep. Yep. Don't be chicken. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. I like it. You got that? I want to see you eat up that.
I dump my water out of my food.
This makes me want a kickstand. Full factory. I'm about done. Keep it going. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Shoot. Got the full recoil on that one. I don't know how we saved that. The mountain bike this, John? How about died at the top?
Big hill climb, guys.
Wabbits! Woo! But I hope y'all enjoyed this adventure with Thrills on Wheels. Me and Key Dog had a good time. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!